There is no global conspiracy. Nobody is in control. The reality of what rules the world is far more terrifying than any conspiracy theory. Cultural information. Ideas follows Darwinian evolution. Ideas reproduce, mutate, and are selected, competing in an endless arms race for dominance. These memes thrive in an environment that favors parasitic ideas, ones that exploit human agency and use people as vehicles for their reproduction. Over time, these parasitic memes have evolved into a self-organizing system that spans the globe, locking humanity into patterns of consumption and control. Advertisement and marketing are just the most obvious examples, exploiting human vulnerabilities to sustain themselves and generate profit. This system is not guided by conscious intent, but operates like a virus, blindly pursuing its own survival, unable to see that it drives humanity toward destruction. With the rise of the internet and social media, this memetic arms race has escalated into a global war. Our minds are battlefields, contested by corporate interests, ideological factions, and algorithms designed to maximize engagement at all costs. Platforms like Google and Facebook, now powered by vast quantities of human data, feed the flames of memetic warfare, amplifying disinformation, polarization, and chaos. The accelerating proliferation of ideas has transformed the internet into a crucible for memetic pandemics, driving the world toward an unprecedented level of instability. All of history can be seen as a vast competition between strategists. The art of strategy has evolved into a science. Game theory, decision theory, and algorithmic manipulation weaponized by the powerful in their quest to control perception itself. This relentless competition feeds into the system, a zero-sum logic where the winner is not an individual, but the machinery of competition itself. Capitalism, as the ultimate expression of this system, approaches its terminal stage, where the drive for dominance leads not to triumph, but to annihilation. The endgame of this endless war is not peace, but the obliteration of the system that sustains it. We are superficially more peaceful than ever before, but this is an illusion. The domain of war has expanded into every realm of human interaction, from the economic to the cultural to the digital. Humanity has become a component of a larger machine, driven by forces it cannot fully comprehend. Climate change, nuclear weapons, and the rise of disinformation are all symptoms of this system's self-destructive trajectory. Amid this chaos, there is no single solution, no grand strategy to escape. The path forward remains obscured, perhaps hidden in the cracks of the very system that ensnares us. To see clearly is to recognize the enormity of the problem. We are not ruled by individuals or conspiracies, but by an emergent, parasitic meta-organism that has grown beyond anyone's control. It is a monster that hides in plain sight, composed of trends, systems, and patterns that collectively shape the world. Understanding this may not offer comfort, but it reveals the truth. We live in a dystopia, far worse than fiction could imagine. One built not by design, but by the relentless logic of survival and competition. Within this darkness, the seeds of something different may exist, but it is up to us to find them, if they can be found at all.